Armenia's nature is wonderful. It is an eternal example of nature. Here you can get to know yourself more. And you spend every second of your life quietly in the bosom of nature. And this is the reason why tourists flock to Armenia in groups. When you are outside the capital, Yerevan, and you watch the nature around you, you can feel and imagine that you are in heaven. And you will forget and not remember that you were a while ago. You were in a country completely different from the one you are in now, and you don't want your vacation to end to go back to the country you came from. Ararat Tour managed by Hayk Danial, who mocked himself nearly 10 years ago to work in the field of tourism. He accompanied many tourists who came to Armenia. He gave them as much information as he had, so that when they returned to their countries, they know which country they visited. They learned about the civilization and culture of that country. Tourism in Armenia is very beautiful. If you can get to know the right and honest person who will accompany you during your tours. And if you want to visit the Republic of Armenia, until now, you will not find the right person to contact. You can now contact Ararat Tourism, and you ask him to organize an integrated tour package for you. Includes guided tours. In addition to staying in one of the appropriate hotels, you can also just ask him to organize a tourist program for you. And you take care of booking the right hotel for you. Many have visited Armenia, but alas, when they returned to their countries, they hardly knew that they had visited a country whose capital is Yerevan, until they get to know Ararat for tourists, and they repeated their visit to the same country, and they brought back with them good memories and enough information about the culture and history of the country they visited. Me is not the only one who praised Hayk Danial. The reason is that Hayk Danial is known in most of the tourist places to which he takes his tourists. It is difficult to defraud his customers by being with them.
مع بمواسيس صراحة ما تندمون على الآخر. ارارات للسياحة.
أنا طالع مع ارارات للسياحة برفقة الأستاذ أبو ماسيس.
بالنسبة لهاي الرحلة كانت رحلة جدا جميلة ورائعة، والأروع ما فيها طبعا الأخ أبو ماسيس طبعا يسوي في الجو. الله يخليك.
بيض الله وجهك.
الله يخليك.
لا تنسون مكتب ارارات للسياحة الصراحة من غير أي مجاملة.
الو. عنده مصداقية في التعامل. من أول يوم جينا فيك يعني تعامل كثير لطيف واهتمام كبير والتزام بالمواعيد، في مصداقية كبيرة وفي أمانة كبيرة، فأنا بشجع الكل وعن جد أنا بحكي ضميري.
أنا زرت مدن كثيرة حول العالم، ولكن اللي شفته في يرفان واللي تعلمته من أبو ماسيس يعني كان درس ثقافي تاريخي ما راح أقدر أوفيه حقه لو قلت كلمة أو كلمة.
أرمينيا توفقنا والحمد لله مع شركة ارارات السياحية. هذه الشركة التي كان معنا خلال رحلتنا أبو ماسيس. في الحقيقة البلد في غاية الروعة والجمال.
We can talk about Ararat Tour a lot, but we do not want to prolong the conversation. Find him on YouTube, Instagram, and other social media. Hayk Danial, who is known to many who visited Armenia. You will also get to know him personally. He will pass on to you a lot of the information he has to get to know the country you visited. Finally, you will return to your country. After you have known the country and people, you only knew his name about him.